Okay folks, Stephen here with SNS Auto Sales in Lexington, Tennessee. We're going to do a quick how-to video on how to use the features and hook up the phone on a 2012 Toyota Venza. On the features, traction control on and off. The mirrors, you push it that way to control this mirror. Push it that way to control that mirror. Right there in the middle, it don't control anything. We'll go back through here. This right here will be USB auxiliary. Then as you can see, right down here, you do have an extra cigarette plug. On your climate control right here, anything you do right here will show up here. Does that make sense? All right, so we're gonna turn the fan down. You can see it up there. The next thing, the most commonly asked question is the phone. Well, before we do this, you can turn your interior lights off completely, turn them all the way on, or if you leave them right there in the middle, it'll be on with your doors open. Okay? The next thing is the phone. We're just gonna, as you can see right here, we're on radio. Well, we was on radio, I cut it off. All right, so now we're just gonna hit auxiliary right here. Bluetooth audio player not found. Now we're gonna hit setup.
Bluetooth audio setup. Push the talk switch and say pair audio player. Select audio play.
Pair audio player.
Pair. Push the talk switch and say a name for the audio player.
Stephen's iPhone. Stephen's iPhone.
Push the talk switch and say confirm. Otherwise, say go back.
Confirm.
Ready for the audio player pairing. Please use the audio player to connect it to the Bluetooth audio system. The passkey for the audio player is 9369. Searching.
Okay, you see car multimedia. We're gonna hit that. And now we're gonna put our passcode in. Now we'll hit pair. Now you can allow contacts and favorite sync. I'm not going to do that because I'm not using this all the time.
Push the talk switch and say pair audio player, select audio player, change name, list audio players, set passkey, or delete audio player.
Stephen's iPhone.
Already selected.
Okay. All right, now you can see everything's connected right there. All we got to do is just go to Bluetooth. We hit play on our music, and everything's going to play. Same thing with the phone. So now I'm going to go back in here. I'm just going to hit forget this device. Then, of course, you can do this on screen as well. And that will forget this car and forget, you know, all my contacts, favorites, if you ever have that hooked up. That's pretty much it, folks. Once you get it hooked up right there, you can do whatever you want to. You can put your contacts, favorite sync on your phone, coming in, it'll even announce it, whatever you want to do. If you do not want to use it anymore, or you don't want your contacts to sync, then it will be just strictly audio player. But you can always get to that by hitting the auxiliary button right here. That will always take you to whatever you want to use. You know, whether it be the USB auxiliary right here, with it just plugged up with a cord, or you want to do it just strictly by Bluetooth. But I think that's it, folks. You got any questions? Let us know. 731-968-2812. Visit us online at ssautosale.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.